How to enable energy recommendations in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to find and apply Windows suggested settings to reduce your energy consumption. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Power and Sleep on the right side of the screen. At this point, scroll down and click on Energy Recommendations. From here, you'll see a list of suggested settings that Windows recommends to help reduce your energy usage. Each one shows how much impact it will have alongside a brief description of what it changes. Following this, you can apply each recommendation individually by clicking the Apply button next to it, or click Apply All at the top to enable every suggestion at once. After that, common recommendations include things like reducing your screen brightness, lowering your screen timeout, enabling energy saver mode, and adjusting your sleep settings to kick in sooner. From here, any setting you apply through this page updates automatically, so you don't need to go into individual settings pages to make each change manually. At this point, if a recommendation has already been applied, it will show a check mark next to it, so you can see at a glance which ones are already in place. Finally, it's worth coming back to this page every now and then, since Windows may update its recommendations based on how you use your device over time. That's how you enable energy recommendations in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.